Do you love me?
I love you very much. Probably more than anybody could love another person.
Her whole life, up to the night before the accident, she remembers. She just can't retain any new information.
Hey, thank you for being so nice to me today.
It's like her slate gets wiped clean every night while she sleeps.
I don't want you to strike out tomorrow. So maybe you could talk to me about lilies
Lily?
on the second lilies.
You erased me from your memories because you thought you were holding me back from having a full and happy life. Being with you is the only way I can have a full and happy life. You're the girl of my dreams.